What's up, family? It's LeVar here, guys. Sitting in my new truck that I just bought. Nothing special, nothing crazy. My wife was just like, "Babe, we both have Mustangs, so how the heck are we gonna fit the car seat? It's gonna be like a struggle getting in and out of the car." And I'm like, "Yeah, you're right." So, that's my wife's Mustang. You guys seen mine? That's hers. Some will debate that hers is better than mine's, but nah. It's not. It's not. Anyways, guys, this video is about whatever the title says. I haven't decided. I just thought this would be a cool intro, just to shoot a video in my new truck that I bought. And like I said, this truck is nothing special. I bought it used. Bought it last minute. It's just really spacious. Look at all the space back there. I got the baby, the car seat, the whatever's way back there, the stroller and everything. It's just really spacious. I can fit everything in here. My dog can go in the way back, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, but whatever the title is, we're about to get into this video. Alright, family? Let's get it.
I want a reason, that's all I need. I want 100 million pronto. I only answer when money call. I want a view so I can see it all. If you sum it up, I want it all. I want it all.
What's up, family? So real quick, I'm back. We went shopping, me and my wife, right? We went shopping. We found this. We went to the thrift store because I like to buy things at the thrift store. We ended up finding this, and we bought it for our little baby girl. It's a baby dresser, right? And we bought it at the thrift store for $10.99. This same dresser on the market new goes for $100-something. So don't be afraid to buy some stuff from the thrift store, even for yourself, man. You save a lot of money. That thing goes for like $100 plus, and we got it for $10.99. You guys see how I make my profits now on Amazon? But yeah, no bull crap. I can actually, we took the label off already. But yeah, it went for $10.99. That's a $100 baby dresser. $100. Anyways, guys, I want to show you something real quick. This is going to be a quick video. It's nothing big. It's nothing special. It's just I want to show you guys, instead of holding on to your money, instead of just waiting for your private label product, if you're getting into private label, even if you're doing Shopify, right? Doesn't matter what you're doing. To make some extra cash, how do the rich get richer? They invest, all right? No matter what they're investing in, they always make their money work for them, all right? So that's the motto of this video right now. Make your money work for you, okay, guys? Doesn't matter if it's $2. It doesn't matter if it's $1. If you're making your money make you more money, you're an investor and you're doing very well. You're doing better than a lot of people in this country now that just blow their money on nothing, pay the bills, spend it on gas, spend it on partying, and just never-ending rat race circle, not making any money, and wondering why they're always behind. Invest, guys. Okay, so check this out. I spent about $70 today. Not the whole day. I spent more than that for the whole day, but just in Walmart alone. And I'm just going to talk about Walmart. A lot of this stuff, you see, I bought a lot of stuff right here, all this stuff. Bag, this is from the thrift store. I'm not going to get into what I got at the thrift store. You guys have seen me do that plenty of times. 100% ROIs here at the thrift store. But I'm going to talk about Walmart really quick because I spent about $70 in Walmart. And it's going to make me in return about 50 or $60. I spent 70. I'm gonna make my 70 back plus 50 to $60, right? Profit. Right now, that's not 100% ROI, but that's realistic. That's very realistic, especially when you're shopping at big brand stores. And I mean, I just go in sometimes and I just buy stuff that I see making me a profit. Like, we're shopping for the baby, but I scan a lot of things anyway because I have the app and I have the scanner, so I scan stuff, right? And to jump back to what I was saying just before, you guys gotta understand. If you want to make money, if you want to get ahead in life financially, start investing. Now, that $70 I spent in Walmart could have still been in my pocket or in my bank account doing what? Nothing. Making me no money, and probably spend it within the next couple of days on gas, on food, whatever the case may be. And then that $70 would have made me nothing. And it would have just been, I would have just threw it away, right? Instead, I used $70 to buy knickknacks that are going to make me some money. So check this out. Check this out, right? Notice all these are clearance too. So I bought this little toy thing for $3, right? And it's going to make me $3.50, 100% ROI. I remember this one. This one's not going to make me 100%, but I think it was like 80%. I bought it for $18. It's going to make me close to 80% ROI. Okay, guys? Another one, $4. It's gonna make me over $4, 100% ROI. This one's gonna make me 100% ROI for $3. This one is not. I bought this for $40, guys, and it's only gonna make me $12. Now, something like this, why did I buy it? Take a guess. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I bought it because of BSR. Remember what I said to you guys. The BSR is key. Even though it cost me $40 to buy that, and I'm only gonna make $12. I think the profits was $12, and I'm spending 40 to make 12. People would think like, oh, that's not too good of a ratio, right? But it is. That $40 that I had in my pocket was gonna do nothing anyway. It was gonna grow dust. I probably would have spent it on gas or food, like I said, and throw it away. Instead, I spent it on something that's gonna make me more money. That $40 is gonna make me $12. Now, like I said, it's not the best return on investment, but when you're dealing with Amazon, the BSR for that in toys, I think was 10,000, 10 or 13,000, which will sell like hotcakes. It already sold. I didn't even send it in, it already sold. You get what I'm saying? So remember what I said about the BSR. If you find things with a beast BSR and a little profit, but you're still gonna make a profit, a safe profit, not something that you're like only 10 cents. Nah, I mean obviously, but you're gonna make a couple bucks. Buy it, buy it. You know, as long as it's not like you're spending $80 to make 5. No, obviously not. But if it's gonna be something like that where you're spending $40, you're gonna make 12, and it has a really good BSR, buy it. I do that all the time. So I want to show you guys that really quick because remember, it's just an investment, guys. You're investing your money. Your money's not doing anything for you right now in your pocket. It's not doing any. This is how the wealthy gets richer. This is how the rich get richer and the poor get poorer, because the poor don't invest. A lot of them, they don't invest. They're in this never-ending rat race circle where they pay the bills. They worry about the wrong things like partying and or maybe looking good and looking fresh and buying stuff that don't mean nothing, and they don't get ahead in life. So financially, if you want to get ahead, invest, even if it's a couple of dollars. Even if it's a couple of dollars, anyone can do this. Anyone. All right, guys, this is not something special. This is not private label where it takes, it takes a real good strategy. No, this is anyone can do this. Anyone, if you have a normal job right now and you need some extra money, you need some extra dollars in your pocket, you can, I guarantee you probably shop at Walmart anyways. I guarantee you probably shop at these stores that I go to anyways, especially if you're not rich. You already probably shop at these, but the difference is you're not making money while you're doing it. I make money while I'm doing it. So like everything I spent today, I probably already made once I send this in and some. So it's smart, guys. I always spend less than what I'm making for the day. Always. I always make more than what I spend. All right, guys. So that's a quick tip, man. Anyone can do this. And yeah, I just want to show you this. I didn't want to make this video too long. I'm just talking. I'm crazy right now. I'm just talking. I just came from a jog with my dog, and I know I'm yapping. But hold on with me, guys. All I want to say is anyone can do this, guys. Okay? Quick video, quick tip. Get out there and do it while you're waiting for your private label product. Remember what I said in my last video. I'll post a link to my last video up here somewhere about before you start private label selling. It'll be right here or right here, wherever it's at, popping from, right? I'm going to post a link right now because this is how you play it safe if you really want to get into the private label game, because you'll get your first payment, right? Your delayed payment. Amazon holds your money when you first start selling on Amazon, whether it's private label, retail arbitrage, whatever. They hold your money for the first month. So this is a safe way to get in, right? Get in, make some extra dollars, and kill it. All right, guys, it's peace and love. LeVar Aviance, you guys know. Make sure, if we family, that you hit the subscribe button and you press that bell. If we family, you already know. All right, it's peace and love. LeVar Aviance, I'm out, guys. Till next time.